there is no information about this struggles and problems. So I wanna mention about this my experience, right? Hey guys, I'm Ryo Takahashi. I'm a cinematographer, director based in Tokyo, Japan. So today I'm gonna be talking about recording media of ARRI Alexa Classic. So if you are using the DSLR cameras or at BMPCC or something, there are a lot of the media like an SD card or a CFast card or something. But in terms of the ARRI Alexa Classic filmmaking, you have to prepare the specific card. That the card is the SxS Pro Card, right? So in this video, I wanna talking about this card, and I wanna share my knowledge, and I wanna share my experience, because this SxS card things is a little struggles to know about these details. So yeah, please enjoy this video. So let's get started. So at first, let's go to the ARRI official website. So this page is the you can find from this ARRI official website. So yeah, ARRI says the SxS Pro cards are reliable and a durable recording media. Right, I think so too. But here's the things: the SxS Pro is there are a lot of the versions, but ARRI Camera can use SxS Pro Plus card, right? So let's go to below the page. But the ARRI officially said these things, but with SxS Pro X, Sony introduced a new generation of these cards, which brought some technical requirements that cannot be met in our range of Alexa cameras. So, the new generation of the SxS card is a SxS Pro X card. But if you wanna use the SxS card, you have to prepare the SxS Pro Plus card, not SxS Pro X card, right? This is a little confusing, and this information is struggles to know about these things. But this is super important to use Alexa Camera with the Alexa Camera, ARRI Alexa Classic, right? So once you get this card, and I have the 32GB and 64GB, and I have the 128GB card, and it works well. And I use the 3 card, maybe 1 year, but there is no problem, right? After you got the card, and you can record to the Alexa cameras. But how to import these data, these SxS Pro card footages to your PC, right? So this solutions is a super simple. The solutions is to get the card reader, right? So let's go to the P&H, and yeah, this is officially Sony made card reader, right? So this is this is simple solutions, but you can get this Sony SxS Pro Plus card reader. This is the $300 or something. Actually, I use the third-party made card reader. So let's go to this product. So product name is the SONNET Tech Eco Express Card Thunderbolt SxS Pro Card Reader. This is super long product name, but I have this one, and yeah. The reasons is that this card reader is the more cheaper than the official Sony made card reader, and I got this one from the second hand market. So yeah, I got this one maybe 1 year ago, the same time at purchasing my Alexa Classic, but it works well and there is no problem in my experience, right? The little information about this card reader, but this card reader using the Thunderbolt, right? So if you are using the Mac, there is no problem. Maybe you can simply attach this card reader through the Thunderbolt, but if you are using the Windows PC, you have to make sure that your PC has the Thunderbolt or not, right? For me, I have the built-in Thunderbolt connector with my PC, so I can use this card reader super easily, right? If your PC has no Thunderbolt, maybe you should get the USB version official Sony card reader. Like, this is a super, small information, but yeah, you have to prepare the card reader to import your SXS Pro data, right? So after you got the card and a card reader, yeah, it's done. But lastly, I want to share my experience and it's little, it happens sometimes with my Alexa Classic, so it not happens usually, but I want to share this problem. The problem is my Alexa Classic sometimes cannot read my SXS Pro card into their body. ARRI cannot recognize this card. So if you face this problem, there is a solutions. So the solutions is the install the Sony software and format your SXS card through this software with your PC, right? So the software name is the Memory Media Utility, right? So maybe you can search from the Sony official website, and I don't know about it. This page is available to the English version, but I can only find this Japanese officially page. So sorry about that, but you can import you can format and you can check the details about your SXS card through this software. So this available for the Mac and a PC, Windows PC. So if you face a problem that your ARRI Alexa Classic camera cannot read your SXS Pro card, you reformat your SXS card through this software. So for me, I faced this problem a few times, but I reformat my SXS card, so it works well, and this problem solving. There is no information about this struggles and problems, so I wanna mention about this my experience, right? So how about this video? Maybe this SXS Pro card information is a little something like a black box things, so I cannot find the information about these things, so I created this video, right? So this information is a little niche things for the filmmakers, but I hope this video help your filmmaking, especially the ARRI Alexa Classic filmmaking. So thank you for watching. Bye.